Topic we are discussing about the biomolecule. Biomolecule are an organic molecule that include carbohydrate, protein, lipid and nucleic acid. Biomolecules are the important organic compound required for the growth and maintenance of living being. Carbohydrate. They are most abundant organic substance in nature. They can be broadly divided into two main groups: simple carbohydrate or sugar and complex carbohydrates, starch. Simple carbohydrates include glucose, fructose, galactose, sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Complex carbohydrates include starch, glycogen, cellulose. They are also divided into monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide. Protein. Protein are complex organic compound composed of many amino acids linked together through peptide bond and cross-link between chain by sulfur-hydroxyl bond, hydrogen bond, and van der Waals forces. Classification: simple protein and hydrolysis, they yield only the amino acid and associational small carbohydrate compound. Example: albumin, globulin, albuminide. Conjugate protein: they are simple protein combined with some non-protein material in the body. Example: nucleoprotein, phosphoprotein, glycoprotein, hemoprotein. Derived protein: these are protein derived from simple or conjugated protein by physical or chemical means. Example: denatured protein and peptide. Function of protein: acting as enzyme and hormones, maintaining proper fluid and acid-base balance, providing nutrient transport, making antibodies, enabling wound healing and tissue regeneration, providing energy when carbohydrate and fat intake is inadequate. Vitamins. Vitamins and minerals are essential for bodily functions such as helping to fight infection, wound healing, making our bones strong, and regulating hormone, boosting immune system, helping the body metabolize, maintaining healthy skin, vitamin D, vitamin B12, iron. Fourth topic is the lipid. Lipid consists of a repeating unit called fatty acid. Fatty acid are organic compounds that have the general formula CH3, CH2N, COOH. Lipid are organic compounds that contain hydrogen, carbon and oxygen atom, which form the framework for the structure and function of living cell. Properties: lipid are oily non-polar molecule stored in adipose tissue of body. Lipid are heterogeneous group of compound mainly composed in hydrocarbon chain. Lipid are energy-rich organic molecule. Classification of lipid: simple lipid, ester of fatty acid with various alcohol, fats, waxes. Complex lipid, ester of fatty acid containing group in addition to alcohol and fat acid. Phospholipid, glycolipid, other complex lipid. Precursor and derived lipid. Fourth topic is the fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid. Lack of carbon-carbon double bond indicate that the fatty acid is saturated. Unsaturated fatty acid is indicate when a fatty acid has more than one double bond. Saturated fatty acid structure and unsaturated fatty acid structure. Minerals. Minerals are a vital component of our body, of our food. They fulfill a wide variety of functions such as building material for our bones, influencing muscles and nerve function, maintaining electrolyte balance, boost energy level, muscles contraction, support nerve system and thyroid function, maintain acid-base balance. Enzyme. Enzyme are protein that act as biological catalyst by accelerating chemical reaction. Type of enzyme: oxidoreductase, transferase, hydrolyzase, lysase, ligase, isomerase. Nucleic acid. Naturally occurring chemical compound that is capable of being broken down to yield phosphoric acid, sugar, and a mixture of organic bases, purine and pyrimidine. Nucleic acid are main information carrying molecule of cell and by directing the process of protein synthesis. The two main classes of nucleic acid are deoxyribonucleic acid DNA and ribonucleic acid RNA. Function: carry genetic information which is read in cells to make the RNA and protein by which living cell function. Nucleic acid have three components: phosphate group, nitrogenous base, pentose sugar. Nucleic acid found in all cells and also in some virus cells.